Hey, what's up? Today we have the review of another true wireless earbuds. They are called SoundPEATS TrueCapsule. Have you noticed how many wireless earbuds have come up in the last year? I like that, because the higher competition, the lower price of new products. One of the main features of SoundPEATS TrueCapsule is design. It has Apple AirPods style. Most likely the design is better for phone calls. We will check the microphone quality in this video, so let's start our review with unboxing. I have received SoundPEATS TrueCapsule earbuds in this box. I saw videos on YouTube about these earbuds, but they have other boxes. Most likely the manufacturer has changed the box, and now it looks much better. There is the girl, company logo and model name on the front side. On the back you can read about main features and specifications. The package content is standard for budget wireless earbuds. There is a charging case with earbuds, micro USB charging cable, user manual, and two extra ear tips of small and large size. The medium-size ear tips are already on the earbuds. As I already said, SoundPEATS TrueCapsule have Apple AirPods style. The microphone is located at the end of earbud, so the microphone quality should be good. By the way, each earbud has mic. Talking about size, the length is 43 mm, while the thickness is 7 mm. The weight of one earbud is only 5.3 grams. On the outside, you can see company logo and LED light that notifies about connection status. Next to LEDs, there are touch control buttons. You don't see them, but they are here. The charging case has a long and rounded shape. I want to note that charging case fits perfectly in jeans pocket thanks to the rounded shape. There are 4 LED lights on the front side. They say about battery level of charging case. On the back, there is only micro USB port. You can read the specifications of charging case at the bottom. Inside the charging case, there are 2 magnetic connectors for charging earbuds. That's all about design of SoundPEATS TrueCapsule earbuds and charging case. I really like them, both design and build quality. Okay, let's try to connect earbuds to my phone. First, I want to say that SoundPEATS TrueCapsule use Bluetooth 5.0 for connection with mobile devices. The new Bluetooth technology provides more stable connection than previous versions. So first, you need to get the earbuds from the charging case. They will flash white quickly. After a while, you will see the red light on the right earbud. Now you can go Bluetooth settings on your phone and select SoundPEATS TrueCapsule. Now you can listen to music. The next time you get the earbuds from the charging case, they will automatically connect to the last connected device. As for the touch control buttons, you can play and pause the music by double-tap the right earbud. If somebody calls on your phone, you can answer the call with the same double-tap the control button. If you want to switch the track, you need to press and hold touch button. SoundPEATS TrueCapsule supports Siri and a Google Assistant. You just need to tap twice on the left earbud to call the voice assistant. If you are interested in volume control, then TrueCapsule doesn't support this function. You have to increase or decrease the volume manually on the phone or to use voice assistant for that. Talking about sound quality, I want to mention a good bass of these earbuds. So if you listen to hip-hop songs, then you will be surprised by sound quality. Also, I found that SoundPEATS TrueCapsule are good for listening to podcasts or audiobooks. The voice is very clear and pleasant. However, the main feature of TrueCapsule is microphone quality. The mic is located closer to the mouth than other Chinese wireless earbuds, so the mic quality is very good. If you make many phone calls, then you should look for earbuds with design like this one. Finally, let's talk about battery of SoundPEATS TrueCapsule earbuds. The manufacturer promises 4 hours of battery life for these earbuds. I cannot say for sure, because I haven't listened to music without stopping. However, I used earbuds for 30 minutes, 1 hour, several times a day, and then put them back in the charging case. After 3 days, the battery level on charging case showed 2 LEDs from the 4 available. It means that you will need to charge the charging case once a week with average use of earbuds. By the way, charging case has 650 mAh battery and it allows to charge earbuds for another 20 hours of use. Okay, now we can make a conclusion about SoundPEATS TrueCapsule and talk about pros and cons of these wireless earbuds. Let's start with advantages. First, I like the design and build quality. The earbuds are not as compact as Redmi AirDots, but this design provides better microphone quality, which is another advantage of SoundPEATS TrueCapsule. Also, there are touch control buttons. I am not a big fan of touch buttons, but they work well here. The new Bluetooth 5.0 technology provides stable connection with smartphone. The battery life is just okay. It is standard for the most wireless earbuds in 2019. Perhaps only claim to SoundPEATS earbuds is micro USB port. It takes about 2.5 hours to charge the charging case. That's pretty long. If there was a USB-C port, then the charging case would charge much faster. In general, SoundPEATS TrueCapsule are great for the price of only $30. In the description, I will leave the link to Amazon, where you can buy the earbuds. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.